Ever wonder what happens after you drop your GeneMate test kit in the mailbox? Upon receipt at iCellate, each sample is visually inspected and registered in our laboratory management system. We use saliva because it's a great source of genomic DNA and it's easy to collect. But in order to access the DNA, it must first be extracted from cells and then purified or separated from the other components of our saliva. The result is high-quality DNA, optimal for GeneMate. The genome is vast, but we test only the relevant portion of it. GeneMate analyzes a panel of 41 genes clinically proven to be associated with cancer risk. Library preparation is the process by which we zoom in on these 41 genes to allow us to sequence only the region of interest. First, the DNA is fragmented, and then regions of interest are tagged and amplified, all in order to facilitate sequencing. Now that the DNA libraries are prepared, we can begin sequencing. iCellate uses a highly efficient technology called next-generation sequencing, or NGS, which reads millions of fragments in parallel. NGS allows us to answer complex questions quickly so that we can deliver clinically meaningful results in time for you to take action. Immense amounts of sequencing data are produced and require bioinformatic analysis. The sequencing reads are compared to a reference genome to see where they differ, or in other words, where there is a genetic variant or mutation. Once identified, variants are classified by genetic experts and with the help of robust clinical databases. Not all variants are harmful. In fact, most are benign. Only those that are classified as pathogenic or likely pathogenic increase the risk of developing cancer. Complex genetic information is distilled into an easy-to-understand yet comprehensive clinical report. Each case is reviewed by our clinical team, and our genetic counselor is always available to guide you through your results. In the case that a pathogenic variant is identified, iCellate's clinical team will refer you to the appropriate healthcare provider to ensure access to continued care.